Hey guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today we are making some seafood. We are doing honey ginger soy salmon. For this recipe, you will need 4 products from our store. Yes, that's right, not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4. First one we are using is the cilantro and onion infused olive oil. This is one we have not used for a cooking video yet, but if you love cilantro, this is the perfect oil for you. We are also using our sesame oil, which comes straight from Japan. Also some Honey-Ginger White Balsamic and some Jalapeno White Balsamic. It's just all these flavors. Oh man, I'm excited. As per usual, for the ingredients and the measurements, please go to our website if you want to make this recipe. Everything is there for you. To start, we are putting our Honey-Ginger White Balsamic in a container. Well, you want some soy sauce. Can you see me in the reflection? All right. So we also need the cilantro and onion infused olive oil, as well as our sesame oil. Honestly, the sesame oil has been such a secret ingredient of ours that we love to put into so many things. Not so secret. Also, you will need some honey. We already have some lemon juice in here. I'm just adding a little more in. And then you need some ginger. Along with that, you will need some minced garlic. You will also need some fresh cracked black pepper. We're going to throw in some Jalapeno White Balsamic, so give it some nice acidity. And you want to chop up some red onion as well. So we'll get all this in here too. If you don't have the Jalapeno White Balsamic at home, you can always chop up one seedless jalapeno. And this is the time when you get to whisk it all together. So we have a beautiful piece of salmon here, once again from Jiggs-n-Reels at the Wincey Mills Market. You can go there, she's got tons of great seafood. We are going to put this in our marinade. Flesh side down. Just to get some of that flavor. And we're just gonna get all this goodness on top there, kind of massage it. Then flip it back over. Now, for this to marinate, you can let it sit for about 6 hours to overnight. We're gonna go for about 6 hours here in the fridge. Alright guys, this has been marinating for about 6 hours. You want to set your oven to 350. We're going to show you what to do next. So you want to take the salmon that's in the marinade, get some tongs so you can grab it, and put it in the middle of our pan. Got some nice color on it. Once it's on there, take some of the marinade, and we're just going to make sure this gets nicely covered. All the flavor and the garlic and the onion. And if you want to keep a little bit just on the sides. Say that looks pretty good. You want to take another piece of aluminum foil. You just want to take it and we're ready to roll. Alright, so like I said, our oven is set to 350. We are going to let this bake on the low rack for about 10 minutes. Depending on the thickness of your salmon though, you might just want to keep an eye on it after the first 10 minutes. You want to make sure it flakes nicely. If it does, then you can move on to the next step. First, We're gonna get this in here. Let that go for about 10 minutes. And we'll see you in a bit. Hey. So 10 minutes is done. Take this out. We're gonna check this and see if it is ready to go on to the next step. If it is, then we're gonna show you how to do that. So we had a little oopsie with our oven. I pressed a thing on there and it kind of, yeah, we had to figure some things out. But anyway, this is done. We have checked the timer. This is done after the first 10 minutes. We're going to take this top part off. The next step is to broil. So what we're going to do is take this, pop it on the top rack. We're going to keep an eye on it, but we're going to let it broil for about 5 minutes. Ooh, the smell's coming off this. Oh man, the ginger, the garlic, the soy sauce, everything smells awesome. Let's get a little bit off here. Nice and flaky, look at that. Oh, that's divine. That is really good salmon. Yep, another winner, guys. You're gonna love it. The salmon's amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys next time, and remember to like and subscribe. Hello for our YouTube. Alright guys, it's been about 6 hours. Let that once. Well, you're in here. We're going to get it onto some pan with some aluminum foil. We'll show you how to go next. How to go next? That's weird. And then you need some cloves of... Alright guys, this has been marinating for about 6 hours. We're going to show you what to do next. I cannot... Wow, this is bad.